Welcome back. I'm Peter and I'm really glad to have you all joining me today. Now, for the first video, in case you have missed it, we concentrate more on counting with your right hand, which is the ones, okay? And today we're gonna familiarize ourselves with the left hand, which represents the tens. So if you're still not familiar with your right hand, which are the ones, please go back to my first video and listen to it maybe 2 or 3 times. Practice it with your fingers to get used to it and teach your kids along the way. And together, you will, it will be a great encouragement in this learning process for your kids. So now, let's move to the left hand, which I will call the tens. So at first, on the right hand, which are the ones, we will count something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, how about 10? It's the same way. It will be 10. So any fingers on my left hand represents the tens. For example, this means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So always remember, when you are showing your left hand, make sure your right hand is shown to your kids as well. Because if you are merely showing your left hand like this, it will be very hard for young children to understand what you're trying to convey. So my advice is always show your right hand to let them understand the difference between the right hand and the left hand. So basically this represents 1, but this, like this, represents 10. 1, 0 means 10. This represents 12, 10 and 2. This represents 40, okay, 40. This represents 43, 40 and 3. This represents 99. So let's familiarize ourselves with our left hand by counting the tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay? This represents, if I show you like this, without my left hand, this represents 0. If I show you like this represents 100, where the 100, the third digit, is in my head. But before we go there, this ends the short video. Have fun time practicing at home, and I'll see you again next video.